What's up, guys? I am back again with a server rebuild, and I'm actually gonna go in depth, whatever, with this one. So, I am upgrading it to Windows Windows Essentials 2012. With it, I'm gonna do a RAID array. I got a 3 terabyte Western Digital RAID drive, a software, and an SSD for it. So 120 gigs, Samsung SSD 840 EVO. So, alright, let's crack into it. I already got a couple screws out, so it wouldn't take us long. This is probably going to be really dusty in here because I haven't cleaned this out in a while. Oh, no, it's not that bad. Okay. Alright, so I think I'm going to start at... It's a little dusty. Yeah, it's a little dusty. I am going to start with the hard drives, I think. So I'm going to do a RAID array, but I'm also taking out just all of these drives except the red ones because I'm going to do a RAID array. So alright. I think I'm going to place the hard drives at the bottom or the top. I think it might be, I think I'll go for the top. There's these drives out. And then I have to do these ones. Let's see. I think you can see what I'm doing. Yes. Okay. Alright, let's slide this out. Set it over here. Just this screw right there. Got all of these power cables. I'm gonna remove the SATA cables also for now. Okay. 4 cables, 4 drives, okay. Alright. Now, hopefully there's a spot to mount an SSD. Yes, there is. Right here. So, now I'm actually going to put the hard drives on the bottom one. Well, this RAID drive is already here. It's another 3 terabyte. And I am just going to mount the SSD down there. But I have to go and find the screws for the SSD. So one sec. Let me go find some. It turns out I did not find any. So I'm just going to place it in there with actually no screws. I might screw it in with these ones just temporarily. But let's get these hard drives unscrewed. Alright, switch it around. pull this drive out. It's gonna be like one of my, I guess for another computer, I guess I could use this. Just put it right there. Alright, let's take the new hard drive, slide it in. Alright, screw this one in. Screw this one in. And the final screw. Alright, there's that completed. I have to figure out which side ports I'm going to plug them into. Well, I think the two lights, yep. Alright, let's grab 3 cables. Alright. So both of these on the bottom. Alright, so let's move them through the cords. And let's put the final one in. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put this tray back in. And I'll be back. 1 sec. Alright, I'm back. I got those installed. Got the power connected. And I'm going to remove these, so I can place the SSD on the bottom. And I'll be back. 1 sec. Alright, I'm back and got the cage all emptied out. So let's go ahead and place the SSD in. So here's the box. And what's slick in those stuff is solid state drive installation guide, some stickers and the magic drive disc or something. I forget. Magic Magician or something. But anyways, let's stick this in here. Now I said I did not have those drives, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use, actually it might just be free until it's out in the storage unit, so I don't know if these will even fit. Alright, it's just gonna have to go in there dry. So it has no moving parts, so I'm not totally worried about it, but I need to get some screws for it. Alright, so I'm just going to place the SSD just in there, kind of like so. Kind of like that. So that's what's holding it in. It's okay because it's an SSD, and as I said, it has no moving parts. And then I'm going to install the Windows Server Essentials 2012. And what the drives that I took out were 250 gigabyte, 500 gigabyte, and a 1.5 terabyte. And then I'm just going to use these as some other drives for some other builds, I guess. So, alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, bye.